Hello Scrappy Peeps, it's Suzanna today to share with you the October Cherry Box. This is a Simple Stories, taking it back last year I believe this collection is from, but this is super awesome. So as always, you're going to have your mixed media bits in the cherry box. So you have a paintbrush, and you are going to have this stencil. It's a slimline stencil. It's a pumpkin, so I love that it's the way that so one's the positive and one's the negative of the pumpkin. And then to play with that and experiment, you've got this marigold stencil butter, as well as some watercolor powder, and it's sepia. So you sprinkle the powder and then you add some watercolor to it, and that adds a really cool vintage effect. So that is your mixed media fun. And then I'm going to start with the album. So funny that I designed for Simple Stories, and I have actually never used one of these snap flip books, so I am excited to give this a go. So it is so all of this is the Vintage Harvest collection. Is that right? Yes. Simple Vintage Country Harvest. That's it, Country Harvest. And so that is the book cover. And let me just take that off of there. And then in that book, so in this little sort of mini album, you are going to have 10 pocket pages, 3 6x8s. So there's the 1, 2, 3, 3 4x6s. So 1, 2, 3, and then 2 3x4s with a 4x6. So 1, 2, and then you have 2, 3, 2 3x4s that are 4. And you can also take this out and put in other pages, and or I think I want to do a large photo that's not in a page protector, so that you can really see the mixed media without the glare. But that is the album. And then you get, I'm going to start with the basics. So you get this whole Color Vibe wood collection. So you've got 6 different sheets there. And then on the back side, you have these grids. So awesome to make pages, and especially with this wood grain for fall-y kind of pages. I love that idea. So then for your papers, because you have the pocket pages, it's nice that you have these pocket elements, the 3x4 pocket elements. And then you also have, here you go, the 4x4s. And so you could cut those down, or you could put a photo. Like I envision Hello Fall small, and then maybe a square 4x4 photo in the 4x6 for the album. And you have that page with the butterflies. It's kind of Halloween-ish. More butterflies. I love this. So I think I'm going to do our visit to the corn maze last year, and I might have to buy yet another album so that I can do the corn maze this year, or maybe I'll leave it half full so that I can, who knows. Anyway, some really cool, the leaves. And then you have the sticker sheet that goes with that, these banners, which I struggle with these banners, but we'll find something. This might be the title, the opening page. Then you will also get the chipboard stickers. There's 41 of them. So some great titles as well as embellishments for your album. You also get these, the layered stickers. And if you know me, I tend to pull those apart. And then you also get these Country Harvest. So there's 63, the bits and pieces. There are all the bits and pieces, but again, so it's the collection, and so it's nice that it all coordinates, and you've got tons of bits. You would be able to do way more than just this one album. I think you're going to be able to get pages out of this too. So that's just a sprinkling of what's there. So you have until I think the 25th. To subscribe, you can do a one-off if you are not a subscriber, and be sure to come back and check out how I complete that album. Thanks for stopping in today. Come back again soon. Take care.